To back up DigitalOcean Droplet backups, start by understanding the importance of having a reliable backup system in place. DigitalOcean provides a backup service that automatically takes snapshots of your droplet at regular intervals. But it is also essential to have a secondary backup system for added security. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the droplet you want to backup. Click on the droplet and then click on the Backups tab. Here you can see the automatic backups taken by DigitalOcean. But to create a manual backup, click on the Take Snapshot button. Next, give your snapshot a descriptive name and select the size of the snapshot. It is recommended to choose a size that is large enough to hold all the data on your droplet. Then, click the Take Snapshot button to start the backup process. While the snapshot is being taken, you can monitor its progress on the Backups tab. Once the snapshot is complete, it will be listed on the Backups tab, and you can use it to restore your droplet in case of a failure. In addition to DigitalOcean's built-in backup service, you can also use third-party backup tools to create backups of your droplet. These tools provide more flexibility and customization options, and can be used to back up your droplet to external storage services such as Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage. To use a third-party backup tool, you will need to install the tool on your droplet and configure it to back up your data to the desired location. You can then schedule the backup to run automatically at regular intervals, providing an added layer of security and redundancy. Best practices for backing up DigitalOcean Droplet backups include taking regular snapshots, using a combination of automatic and manual backups, and storing backups in multiple locations. It is also essential to test your backups regularly to ensure that they are complete and can be used to restore your droplet in case of a failure. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your DigitalOcean Droplet is properly backed up and that you can quickly recover in case of a failure. Remember to always prioritize data security and take the necessary precautions to protect your digital assets.